Get started. First, take a square piece of paper and fold it approximately 1/3 across. Next, unfold the paper and cut away the smaller side. Don't throw it away, we will use it to make our paper pencil. Let's rotate the paper. Now fold the paper in half from left to right. Perfect, you're finished. Just kidding, unfold the paper. Next, fold both sides to the center crease. Great! Now unfold the paper once again. Next, fold the paper in half, from the top to the bottom. Excellent! Unfold the paper again. Now fold the paper in half again, from left to right. This part is optional. Use a pen to leave a mark on the center crease, just like this. Then cut the crease to the end of the mark. If you pass the mark, then you will have to start over again. Now let's unfold the paper entirely. Let's turn the paper over and make it collapse into itself. To do this, simply grab the opposite ends and push them together. This part is really cool. Fold it in half. Your origami book is finished. Now let's grab that other piece of paper and make our pencil. First, fold it in half. Next, unfold the paper. After that, fold the top right corner to the center crease. Next, fold the left corner behind the paper, like this. Beautiful! Now fold the paper in half. Next, fold to the center crease, like this. Turn the paper over. You are almost finished. Fold the bottom corner to the left side. Now unfold. Next, do a reverse fold by opening the paper and tucking in the corner fold you just made. This will be the eraser. Your special origami pencil is ready. And there you have it. Your very own back-to-school book and pencil set.
That pencil is ginormous.
Does it actually work?
I don't know, but they're adorable.